Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as matrices. Please take down the sum guys. A is equal to -1, 2, 2, -1 and B is equal to 3, 1.
Sir, is there a name for this topic?
No, same. Find x such that Ax is equal to B. We are still doing multiplication of matrices. Now guys, can you please pay attention? A is equal to a 2 by 2 matrix. It has got 2 rows and 2 columns, right? I can say B is a 2 by 1 matrix. It has got 2 rows and 1 column. Now last lecture I had explained to you that in that case you take the second term from here, second term from here. Therefore I can say X will be a 2 by 1 matrix. Everyone's understood how I got this? Take the second term from here, take the second term from here. I'll explain this once again guys. A is a 2 by 2 matrix. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. X is a 2 by 1 matrix. It has 2 rows and 1 column. You take the second term from both the matrices. Therefore, you will say that let X be equal to A, B. Look at this. This has got 2 rows and 1 column. Now they've given you that AX is equal to B. A -1, 2, 2 -1 into X, AB is equal to B, 3, 1. Right? How do you solve matrices? To solve matrices, you take rows into column. So you will take rows into columns. You have to multiply rows into column. So you will multiply first row with first column. So -1 with A. So that's -A. 2 with B. So plus 2B. First row into first column. First term with the first term, second term with the second term. Second row into first column. So that will be 2A minus B. 2 into A minus 1 into B. First term with first term, second term with second term is equal to 3, 1. Now I can say by equality of matrices, minus A plus 2B is equal to 3 and 2A minus B is 1. Right? I can solve these equations simultaneously and get the answer. I'm leaving the simultaneous solving for you all to do on your own. The answer for this, when you solve these equations simultaneously, you should get this answer as A as 5 by 3 and B as 7 by 3. These are the values that you should get. Right? Let's see another sum guys. I've left the sum half. You will solve the simultaneous on your own guys. Next. A is 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8. B is -2, 0, 3, 5. Right. C is 3, -1, 4, 2. 3, -1, 4, 2. Right? You have to find A into BC. Now, since you have to find out A into BC, first you will find out BC. B -2, 0, 3, 5 and C 3, -1, 4, 2. Right? I'm writing B, I'm writing C. How do you multiply matrices? Matrices are to be multiplied rows into column. Rows into column. Right? So you will be multiplying first row into first column. So that is -2 into 3. That's -6. 0 into 4 is 0. So first row into first column. Then first row into second column. -2 into -1. 2. 0 into 2. 0. Then second row into first column. 3 3s are 9, 5 4s are 20. 3 3s are 9, 5 4s are 20. Then second row into second column. minus 3 plus 10. So this is going to be equal to minus 6 to 29, 7. Once I have this, they've asked me to find out A into BC. So you will write A first, 2, 3, 7, 8 into BC, minus 6 to 29, 7. Right? How do I solve this? This is again rows into columns. You multiply rows with the column. So first row into first column. This is going to be minus 12. First row into first column. First term with the first term, second term with the second term. Right? So this is going to be nothing but 29 into 3 is going to be 87. Now, first row into second column, 2 2s are 4, 7 3s are 21. Second row into first column, 7 6 are 42 plus 29 into 8 is 232. And then second row into second column, 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56. Right? So when you solve this, you should get this answer as 75, 25, 190 and 70. Right? So that will be your value of A into BC. Right? Let's see another sum of this kind, guys. A is 341 minus 352. B is 132. 4 minus 1 6. C is minus 2 4 minus 3 minus 5 and 2 1. You have to prove that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Right? You have to prove that A into B plus C is equal to AB into AC. Let's see this. First, let's find out B plus C. How do I find out B plus C? 1 4 3 minus 1 2 6 plus C minus 2 4 minus 3 minus 5 2 1. Right? Now add the like position terms. 1 plus minus 2 minus 1, 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus minus 3 0, minus 1 plus minus 5 minus 6, 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 1 7. Right? Then I have to find out A into B plus C. A is 341 minus 352 into minus 1 8 0 minus 6 4 7. Right? How do I multiply matrices? To multiply matrices, I have to do rows into column. Rows into column. Right? So how do we do this? This is going to be first row into first column. So 3 into minus 1, that's minus 3. 4 into 0, 0. 1 into 4, 4. That's first row into first column. Then first row into second column. 8 3s are 24. 6 4s are 24. And 7. Now second row into first column. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. 5 into 0 is 0. 4 2s are 8. Second row into second column. 8 3s are 24. Minus 6 5s are 30. Plus 7 2s are 14. So in that case you will get this as 1, 7, 11 and this is going to be minus 40. Right? So you should get the value of A, B plus C as 1, 7, 11 minus 40. Once you have this, now let's call this as equation 1. Let's find out AB. AB 3 4 1 minus 3 5 2 into B. B is 1 4 3 minus 1 2 6. How do I solve this, guys? Rows into columns. Rows into columns. Right? Let's see this. This is going to be equal to first row into first column. 3 into 1 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 2s are 2. First row into second column. 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Plus 6. Second row into first column. Second row into first column. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 5 3s are 15. 2 2s are 4. Second row into second column. Minus 12. Minus 5. Plus 12. So you will get this as 14, 17. This is going to be 14. This is going to be 16. And this is going to be minus 5. Right? Next, let's find out AC. A 3 4 1 minus 3 5 2. C minus 2 minus 3 2 and 4 minus 5 1. How do I multiply them? You multiply them by doing rows into columns. How do you multiply them? You multiply them by doing rows into column. So now 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus 2. First row into second column. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. 1 1s are 1. Second row into first column. 3 2s are 6. 5 3s are 15. 2 2s are 4. Second row into second column. 4 3s are 12. 5 5s are 25 plus 2. So this is going to be minus 16. Right? This is going to be 13. Minus 7. This is going to be 10. Minus 5. And this is going to be minus 35. Right? I have the value of AB, I have the value of AC, right? Now, once I have the value of AB and AC, I can find out what is AB plus AC. AB was 17, 14, 16 minus 5 plus AC minus 16, minus 7, minus 5, minus 35. Addition, you add the like position numbers. 17 minus 16, 1. 14 minus 7, 7. 16 minus 5, 11. Minus 5 minus 35, minus 40. Now look at this, let's call this as equation 2. Now if you see equation 1 and equation 2, you will see that they are same. 1, 7, 11 minus 40. So I can say from equation 1 and 2, A B plus C is AB plus AC. 2. Right? Let's move on to the next one, guys. A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. B is equal to, no, B is not given to you. They have asked you to find out A alpha into A beta. Find A alpha into A beta. Okay. Now let's see this. This is A alpha. So some say that A alpha is this. Okay. Now guys, A alpha is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. If A alpha is this, then in that case, what should be the value of A beta? I'm substituting alpha with beta on the left hand side. Since I'm substituting alpha with beta on the left hand side, I should substitute alpha with beta on the right hand side also. Here there was alpha. Instead of alpha, what am I writing here? Beta. So on the right hand side also, whenever there is alpha, instead of alpha, I'll write beta. Cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos beta. Right? I have to find out A alpha into A beta. A alpha, cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, into A beta, cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos beta. Right? How do I multiply this? To multiply this, you will say rows into columns. Rows into columns. That's how you multiply matrices. So now this is going to be first row into first column. So this is cos alpha cos beta, first row into, then sin alpha minus sin alpha sin beta. Right? Now first row into second column, cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta. Second row into first column, so this is going to be minus sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Then second row into second column, minus sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta. Right? Now, this can be written as, use your triple formula, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, addition formula, is nothing but cos alpha plus beta. Right? Read this way, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta is nothing but sin alpha plus beta, addition formula again. In these two terms, I am using addition formula, right? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A plus B. Now between these two terms, if I were to take minus sign common outside, what would remain here? Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. If I take the minus sign common outside, that would leave me with sin alpha plus beta. Similarly, read this way, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is nothing but cos alpha plus beta. Right? Now, since all the angles are alpha plus beta, I can say this is equal to A alpha plus beta. So A alpha into A beta is nothing but A alpha plus beta. Right? Next, let's see the next sum, guys. A is 1, 2, 0, 3. B is equal to 2, 0, 1, 4. You have to prove that A into B transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Right? Let's see the sum, guys. AB. A is 1, 2, 0, 3. B is 2, 0, 1, 4. Right? I want to multiply them. How do you multiply them? Rows into columns. To multiply them, you multiply the rows with the columns. So this is going to be 1 2s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2. 0 plus 4 2s are 8. 0 into 2 is 0 plus 3 1s are 3. 0 plus 4 3s are 12. So this is 4, 8, 3, 12. That's my AB. Once you have AB, how do you find out AB transpose? AB transpose, for transpose, rows get converted into column. That means first row will become first column. First row will become first column. So this will become 4, 8. First row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. That is your AB transpose. Right? Now let us find out A transpose. A transpose, how do you do transpose? Convert the rows into column. So first row will become first column. 1, 2, 0, 3. How do you find out B transpose? Rows get converted into columns. So first row will become first column, second row will become second column. So this will be good morning 2, 0, 1, 4. Right? So what will be B transpose into A transpose? B transpose into A transpose will be 2, 1, 0, 4 into 1, 0, 2, 3. Right? How do you do this? How do you multiply matrices? It is rows into columns, right? So in that case, this is going to be equal to 2 1s are 2 plus 1 2s are 2, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 3, 0 into 1 plus 4 2s are 8, 0 into 0 plus 4 3s are 12. First row into first column, 2 into 1, 1 into 2, right? So in that case you will get this as 4, 3, 8, 12, right? Let's call this as equation 2. Let's call this as equation 1. If you look at 1 and 2, both are same. 4, wait, 4, 3, 8, 12. Why are we getting it this way?
So that's not equation 1, sir. AB transpose.
AB transpose, that's what I'm wondering. Where did my equation disappear? Okay, so AB transpose 4, 3, 8, 12 and 4, 3, 8, 12, right? So therefore I can say that AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. That's what you have to do. Next, let's see another very good sum. Yeah. Next, A is 1x x square x square 1 x square 1x. B is equal to x square 1 x square 1x and 1x x square. Right? You will have to find out AB. Find AB if x is a complex cube root of unity. Complex cube root of unity.
Then x cube is equal to 1.
Right? You have to find out AB if x is a complex cube root of unity. Now they have given you that x is, guys, x is a cube root of unity. Unity means what? X is a cube root of unity. Read and write. X is, whatever you don't understand, ignore. X is cube root of unity. Simple. Right? Now, I don't like the cube root sign, now do you? So cube both the sides to get rid of the cube root sign. Cubing both sides. If I cube both sides, I will get x cube is equal to 1. Simple. Cubing both sides. Therefore, I can say that x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 goes on the other side, becomes minus 1. 1 can be written as 1 cube. This is in the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. I'm using a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, right? Once you have this, now when will the product of two numbers be 0? When either one of them is 0. X minus 1 cannot be 0, because in that case x will become equal to 1, and we know that x is equal to cube root of 1. When will the product of two numbers be 0? The product of two numbers will be 0 when any one of them is 0. Therefore, I can say that x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. When will the product of two numbers be 0? When any one of them is 0. So, I am taking this term to be 0. Now, also, we have said that x cube is equal to 1. We have said that x cube is equal to 1. Guys, see this. Now, if x cube is equal to 1, I can multiply by x. If I multiply by x, I'll get x raised to 4 is equal to x. Multiplying x cube into x is x raised to 4. 1 into x is x, right? Now, let's start with the sum AB. How do I find out AB? AB will be A. 1x, x square, x square 1, x square 1x. B is x square 1, x square 1x, 1x, x square. Right? I have to multiply this. Right? If I have to multiply this, I have to use rows into columns. You have to multiply the rows with the columns. That's how you do multiplication of matrices. Now let's see the multiplication, guys. First row into first column. 1 into x is x plus x cube plus x square. This is first row into first column. Then first row into second column. X square plus x cube, x square plus x cube. Then first row into third column will be 1 plus x square plus x raised to 4. First row into third column. First I multiplied first row with the first column, first row with the second column, first row with the third column. Now second row into first column. So this will be x square plus x raised to 4 plus 1. Then second row into second column. So this is going to be x cube plus x square plus x. Then second row into third column. So this is going to be x plus x cube plus x square. Right? Then third row into first column. X cube plus x square plus x. Then third row into second column. X raised to 4 plus 1 plus x square. Then third row into third column. X square plus x cube. Right? So I finished my multiplication. Now I can substitute, guys. Can you please see this? We have already found out that the value of x cube is 1. And we found out that the value of x4 is x. So wherever there is x cube, I am going to substitute it as 1. And x4 I am going to substitute as x. So in that case this will be x plus 1 plus x square. I am substituting x cube as 1. Right? X square plus x plus, I am substituting x cube as 1. 1 plus x square, I am substituting x4 as x. X square plus substitute x4 as x. Substitute x cube as 1, so you get 1 plus x square plus x. Substitute x cube as 1, so x plus 1 plus x square. Substitute x cube as 1, 1 plus x square plus x. Substitute x4 as x, x plus 1 plus x square. Substitute x cube as 1, x square plus x plus 1. Substitution done. what do I have here? X square plus x plus 1. Guys, can we please see this? We had found out that the value of x square plus x plus 1 is 0. I have x square plus x plus 1 here, so this will be 0. Again I have x square plus x plus 1, 0. 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 This is equal to 0, which is null matrix. So AB will be a null matrix. Fine, do we get this thing here? Next, let's move on to the next one, guys. We did right now sum number 6. Let's move on to the next sum. A plus I is 134 minus 113 and minus 2 minus 3 1. Right? That's my value of A plus I. They have asked you to find out A plus I into A minus I. Right? Now I have A plus I. A plus I is 134 minus 113 minus 2 minus 3 1. Right? I want to find out A minus I. There are two ways of doing this. Either I take this plus I on the other side, I get the value of A, then find out A minus I. That will be a longer method. I'll teach you a shorter method. How do I do this by a shorter method? I have this, subtract 2i from both the sides. If I subtract 2i from both the sides, observe what will happen. I had A plus I. If I subtract 2i from this side as well as the other side was 134 minus 113 and you add minus 2 minus 3 and 1, subtract 2i. So I am subtracting 2i from both the sides. If I subtract 2i from both the sides, A plus I minus 2i will give you A minus I. So directly you get the value of A minus I. Instead of first finding out A and then finding out A minus I, you directly will get the value of A minus I. Right? 134 minus 113 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 2i. I stands for identity matrix. What is identity matrix? In which principal diagonal is 1 and all the other terms are 0. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That's your identity matrix, right? Now let's see this. This can be written as 1 3 4 minus 1 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. What did I do? I multiplied the 2 inside. Like position places have to be added. So this will be 1 minus 2. That's minus 1. 3 minus 0, 4 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0. 1 minus 2. Minus 1. 3 minus 0. 2 minus 2 minus 0. Minus 3 minus 0. 1 minus 2 minus 1. So now I have the value of A minus I. Now I have to find out A plus I into A minus I. A plus I. A plus I was 1 3 4 1 minus 1 1 3 and minus 2 minus 3 and 1. That was A plus I. A minus I you found out is minus 1 3 4, minus 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Right? I want to multiply it. How do I multiply? Rows into columns. When you have to multiply, you have to do rows into column. Right? Let's see this. First row into first column. Right? So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 3 into minus 3, minus 3, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. First row into second column. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 4 into minus 3, minus 12. First row into third column. First row into third column. 4 into 1 is 4, 3 3s are 9, minus 4. 4 into minus 1. Second row into first column. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 3 into 2, minus 2, minus 6. Second row into second column. So this is going to be minus 3, minus 1, minus 9. Then second row into third column. So this is going to be minus 4, plus 3, minus 3. Third row into first column. So this is going to be minus 2 into minus 1, that's 2. Minus into minus plus, minus 2. Third row into second column. So this is going to be minus 6, plus 3, minus 3. Then third row into third column. So that's going to be minus 8, minus 9, minus 1. Right? Now let's solve this. So this is 9, minus 12. This is minus 12. This is going to be 9. This is minus 6. This is minus 13. This is going to be minus 4. This is 3. This is minus 6 and minus 18. That's going to be your value of a plus I into a minus I. Fine? Right? Okay. We will stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.